Hello everyone, today is 9 July. Let's quickly read the headline from the Hindu newspaper. And the first news we have Russian oil share in India's import rises related to GS Paper 2 IR and GS Paper 3 economy topic. And the editorial page we have the Indian diaspora as Australia's identity, its future related to GS Paper 2 IR topic. Next page opinion we have how India withstood the crisis in West Asia related to GS Paper 2 IR topic. And next news we have what is the right to be forgotten related to GS Paper 2 polity topic. And next news we have what is the humus trials and why is it under scrutiny related to GS Paper 1 art and culture topic. And the next news we have CBSE's supplementary examination and the promise of no injustice related to GS Paper 2 governance topic. And the next news we have India and Indonesia launch joint restoration project at iconic Prambanan. And the next news we have India and Indonesia launch joint restoration project at iconic Prambanan temple related to GS Paper 1 art and culture and as well as GS Paper 2 IR topic. Next news we have Shah orders audit to reduce passenger delays at airport related to GS Paper 3 economy and infrastructure topic. And the next news we have DRDO conduct successful flight test of Pinaka rocket related to GS Paper 3 science and tech and defense topic. And the next news we have over 42% rise in female enrollment in higher education since 2014 report related to GS Paper 1 social issue and GS Paper 2 governance topic. And the next news we have WHO flags growing inequities in access to cancer treatment related to GS Paper 2 governance and GS Paper 3 health topic. And next news we have India added 52.5 MTPA regasification capacity in 2025 IGU World LNG report related to GS Paper 3 development topic. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.